Good evening and welcome to Did You Know? I'm your host, Kelly, and tonight we're diving into some cutting-edge technology news that might just surprise you. Are you ready for your iPhone to sound exactly like you? Well, Apple is making strides in a groundbreaking direction that could turn this into a reality. Apple has recently filed a patent for a new feature that allows iPhones to read out messages in the owner's own voice. Imagine receiving a message and hearing it in the voice of the sender, not just any digital tone, but a voice that sounds exactly like them. This feature leverages recent advancements in artificial intelligence, building upon the technology that enables devices to produce highly realistic audio outputs. For instance, a new chatbot, akin to the popular ChatGPT, can already transform text into celebrity voices. Apple's new innovation, however, aims to personalize this experience by using a model based on the user's own voice recordings. Here's how it would work. iPhone owners would opt in by agreeing to share a voice file with the necessary data for their device to mimic their voice. When they send an message, they can choose to attach this voice file. The recipient then has the option to hear the message in the sender's voice, enhancing both the personal touch and the practicality of communication. But with great technology comes great responsibility. The rise of deepfakes audio and visual fabrications that seem incredibly real is a growing concern. These can range from humorous edits to potentially harmful misinformation. As Apple ventures into this new territory, they're also likely preparing to address these ethical and security challenges. So, what do you think? Is this the future of communication, or is it a step too far into the creepy? Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting development in space-based broadband services. That's all from us at Did You Know? Keep your head up and stay curious.
Oh.